Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo Y16 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can activate double tap to wake up screen in your phone Vivo Y16. That is when you double tap on the locked screen, phone screen will be waked up. It is turned on. Okay. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone first and go to shortcuts and accessibility. Go to settings and then shortcuts and accessibility. Then go to smart motion, then go to smart screen on off and turn on second button, double tap to wake. Okay, now when the screen is off, double tap it to turn it on. Okay, screen is off and double tap on the empty screen is turned on. Okay, so in this way you can easily make your screen wake up in your by double tapping on the empty screen. Okay, so it will be useful whether you have received any notification, whether if you want to look quick uh, quick summary of your phone, just you can double tap on the screen and see that. Okay, the notification can be seen, but to unlock to open your phone, you go to give the unlock pattern. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.